Hey guys, so I just got my Be Comfort car accessory set, and I needed some reliable trash bags in my car that didn't look like trash bags, like sacks hanging over the side, or like square ones. I don't like the square ones. I like these because they are longer. I'm gonna go put them in my car to show you guys how they look better in the car. So it came with 2 car trash bags and 2 headrest hooks. The reason I really got these is because they are eco-friendly material and they're leak proof. And I've had ones before that they leak all over the place. This one is really nice, has a good opening that closes on its own. And then when I want to actually release the trash, it's really easy just to open it here from the bottom, but it just velcros back up and it actually holds a lot. So I'm gonna go install them right now. Okay guys, so over here on my passenger side I have one of the trash bags just clipped to the back, and you can just rotate it around. This part is adjustable up here, so you know when you throw trash in, it automatically closes it up here, which I really like about that. Spill proof, really easy to empty it as well, so it just hangs out there in the back. Really like it, doesn't get in anybody's way, compact enough. And this is one of my favorite things. So it came with a few of these. This little piece right here, you actually just can clip on. You can hang your purse from here, you can hang your grocery bags from here, and then this little extra extension, I always have a water bottle with me, so I love that. I love not having to have my water bottle fly all over the floorboard, so that's really convenient. Like I said, you get to hang your purse here, your grocery bags, and it's just super convenient. And that's about it, but it's definitely a great set.